To ensure progress and professional development, I think it's very important that we understand the meaning of the words that we use in our profession. By our profession, I mean acting, directing, and all aspects of drama teaching. Let me show you what I mean with an example. The word emotion is used a lot in our profession, but not many people have a common understanding of what it means. If you ask 10 actors, and it could easily be 10 directors or 10 drama students or 10 drama teachers or a couple of people from each of those groups, if you ask them the question, what is an emotion? I'm pretty sure there'd be many different answers and interpretations. And so that means that the emotion, the understanding of the word emotion is pretty ambiguous. There's not a common and universal understanding of it. So when people are trying to communicate between these groups, whether it's from teacher to student or from director to actor or actor to actor or whatever, there's room for confusion and misunderstanding, which isn't ideal. In other professions, it's imperative that people who work within those professions have exactly the same understanding of the words and terminology used. If you think about architecture, engineering, law, medicine. So why isn't it the same in acting? Well, I think it can be, and I think acting can be as legitimate a profession as any other. But first of all, we have to make sure that we have a universal and precise understanding of the words and terminology that we use. Is it ideal to leave drama school or university with a degree in drama, or even leave with a diploma, which is what I did in my day, only having a vague understanding of key words that are used a lot in our profession? I'm talking about words like emotion, which we've already discussed, but also imagination, attention, awareness, purpose, character, etc. If you think about it, our profession takes up a good 70% of our lives, which is a lot. Thinking about it, actually doing it. And if that time is spent acquiring knowledge and finding out, which in turn leads to gaining more knowledge, then that's time well spent. That will result in a fulfilled life. But if, on the other hand, that time is spent not gaining knowledge, not finding out, not wanting to understand, but instead accepting confusion and ambiguity, that will result in time being wasted and ultimately life being wasted. That's why I think it's very important to understand the meaning of the words used in our profession, and why it should be one of the 4 principles of drama training. An emotion can be defined as the biophysiological result of a thought